Hi my beautiful subscribers and all my viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Today we are going to talking about one of the most gorgeous princesses in the world, Catherine Elizabeth Middleton. Kate Middleton was born on January 9, 1982 in Reading, Berkshire, England to Michael and Carly Middleton. She has two younger siblings, Philippa and James. Kate attended school in Berkshire, including St Andrews School and Melbourne College. She then studied art history at University of St Andrews in Scotland, where she met Prince William. After graduating, Kate worked in retail and then as an accessories buyer for her clothing company. She also pursued a career in photography. Kate and Prince William began dating in 2003 and became engaged in 2010. They married on April 29, 2011 at Westminster Abbey. As the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate undertaken various royal duties including charity work, official visits and engagements. Kate has three children with Prince William: Prince George, born in 2013, Princess Charlotte, born in 2015, and Princess Louise, born in 2018. Kate supports various charitable cases including children's welfare, mental health, and arts education. Kate has become a prominent figure in British public life, known for her fashion sense, poise, and dedication to her royal duties. Kate has faced scrutiny and criticism, including paparazzi attention, media scrutiny, and public expectation. Kate is known for her down-to-earth personality, love of sport, and close relationship with her family. So join us as we explore the fascinating life of Princess Kate Middleton, from her humble beginnings to her fairy tale marriage to Prince William. In this video, we will dive into Kate's early life, including her childhood in Berkshire, her education, and her university days where she met her future husband. We will also take a closer look at Kate's journey to becoming the Duchess of Cambridge, including her engagements with exclusive footage, rare photo, and expert insight. This video is a must-watch for anyone fascinated by the British royal family and the inspiring story of Princess Kate Middleton. So my beautiful viewers, get ready for a royal treat. In this video, we are showcasing the stunning outfits of Princess Catherine, the Duchess of Cambridge, as well as her beautiful love story with Prince William. From her iconic wedding dresses to her chic everyday looks, we will take a closer look at Kate's fashion evolution and her most memorable style moments. But that's not all, we will also dive into her heartwarming love story of Kate and William, from their university days to their fairy tale wedding and beyond. With exclusive footage, rare photo, and expert insight, this video is a must-watch for anyone who loves the British royal family and the inspiring story of Princess Catherine and Princess William. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more royal content. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, join us as we celebrate the timeless beauty and style Princess Kate Middleton in this video. So in this video, we will showcase Kate's most stunning outfits, from red carpet gowns to chic everyday looks, and explore what makes her one of the most beautiful women in the world. From her flawless skin and radiant smile to her effortless elegance and poise, we will examine the qualities that make Kate a true beauty icon. We will also dive into her fashion choices, highlighting her favorite designers, styles, and trends, and how she uses her platform to promote British fashion and support emerging designers. Whether you are a fan of the royal family or simply love fashion and beauty, this video is a must-watch for anyone who admires Princess Kate's unique blend of style, grace, and charm. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and beauty content. She frequently wears dresses and coats by Alexander McQueen, Jackie Pickham, and Catherine Walker. For official engagements, Kate often chooses formal knee-length dresses in bold colors. For more casual events, Kate opts of jeans, blouses, and tailored blazers. Kate's haircut has evolved over the years, from a long straight style to a short, more textured look. Her signature blonde is the hallmark of her polish put together. For red carpet events, Kate chooses glamorous gowns by top designer. She often adds statements piece of jewelry like a tiara or earring to complement her outfits. Cat's wardrobe staples include classic white shirt, tailored trousers, and fitted blazer. She adapts her most style to suit the season, opting for lighter colors and fabrics in summer. In autumn, Cat often wears warm, rich colors like burgundy and orange. In winter, she chooses cozy layered outfits in icy blue and whiteys. In inspiring, Cat often wears bright floral dresses and skirts. In summer, she opts for bold, bright colors like yellow and pink. Cat's hair colors have remained a consistent dark brown over the years. She often adds texture and volume to her hair and with the blowout of styling products. Cat's glowing skin is a thanks to consistent skincare routine and mineral makeup. Her makeup style is a natural and understated with a focus on enhancing her features. While Cat often plays it safe with her fashion choices, she is not afraid to take risks and try new trends. Some of Cat's most iconic looks include her wedding dresses and her 2012 Olympic Games outfits. As a fashion trendsetter, Cat's outfits are often emulated by fans and fashionists around the world. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share this video with your family and friends. So beautiful viewers and all my subscribers in my channel, you can see here American woman, Belgian woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my videos. However, I want to be honest with you, creating content every day, it's incredibly challenging. It takes a lot of time, efforts and resources. That's why I need your support. If you enjoy my content, please consider watching all my videos, liking and commenting on them, sharing them with your friends and family, and subscribing to my channel if you have not already yet. With your support, I can continue creating high quality content for you. I have some exciting plans and collaboration coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks again for listening and I look forward to your continued support. Let's grow this channel together. So my beautiful viewers, before becoming a royal cat style while already turning heads, she favored classic time-dyed pieces with a touch of bohemian flair. As a role, Cat's fashion choices are scrutinized worldwide. She is rising to the challenge, becoming a global fashion icon. Cat's daytime style is effortlessly chic. She often wears British designers and high street brands, making fashion accessible to all. So when it comes to evening events, Cat dazzles in glamorous gowns. She is a master of subtle yet striking fashion choices. Cat's accessories are always on point, from her trusty LK Bennett heels to her elegant fascinators. She knows how to complete an outfit. As a royal cat's life is one of luxurious. She attends exclusive events, wears bespoke designer pieces and enjoys the finest things in life. Cat draws inspiration from fashion icons past and present. She is often compared to Princess Diana for her classic elegant style. That's a wrap on Princess Kate Middleton fashion life. She is a true style icon and we can't get enough of her stunning outfits and accessories. Thanks again for watching. From her signature bouncy to her elegant updoors, Cat's hair always looks effortlessly chic. But what's behind her hair secrets? We are exploring her favorite hairstyle, hair care, routine and product must-have to help you recreate her royal looks at home. So whether you are looking for everyday hair inspiration or special occasion, Style Cat's hair is the perfect muse. So sit back, relax and let's dive into the world of Princess Kate Middleton's beautiful hair. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial and inspiration. Hit the notification bell for new videos alerts. Share your favorite Kate Middleton hair moments in the comments below. So get ready to be inspired by the Duchess of Cambridge's gorgeous look. In this video, we are diving into the Princess Middleton's stunning hairstyle and sharing her top tips for achieving beautiful, healthy looking hair. From her signature bouncy to her elegant updoors, cat hair always look effortless chic. Whether you are looking for everyday hair inspiration or a special occasion style, cat's hair is perfect muse. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of Princess Kate Middleton beautiful hair. So my beautiful viewer, from her university days to royal engagements, how her hair has changed over the years. Iconic hairstyles that made headlines, Cat's morning and nighttime hair routine, hair favorite shampoos and conditioner. We also now going to talking about tips for achieving healthy shiny hair, Cat's go-to hair products for styling and finishing, her favorite hair tools and accessories. We also now talking about how use them to recreate her looks, step by step guide to achieving Cat's signature, tips for adding volume and texture, how to finish with a sleek polished look, Cat's more stunning updoor looks, tips for creating her elegant style, how to add your own personal touches. Now we are going to talking about wedding hair inspiration, Cat's iconic wedding day hairstyle, tips for achieving a romantic effortless look, how to incorporate personal touches into your wedding hair. Now we are going to talking about red carpet hair, Cat's most memorable red carpet hairstyle, tips for achieving glamorous high goals hair, how to make a statement with hairstyle, everyday hair inspiration. Now let's talk about hair everyday inspiration, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. Cat casual everyday hairstyle tips for achieving easy effortless hair, how to add a touch of royal style to your daily look. Now we are going to talking about hair tips and tricks of Kate Middleton, Princess Kate top tips of healthy beautiful hair, how to overcome common hair struggles, tips for adding volume, texture and shine. So in the depth reviews of Cat's favorite hair products, how they perform and whether they are worth the hype, alternative option for different budgets and hair. Now we are talking about my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. I am so glad you are enjoying this video so far. So let's dive deeper into the Cat's hair and makeup secrets, from her go-to stylish to her favorite product. I will be sharing it all and how you know to recreate her iconic looks at home. My goal is to inspire you with Cat's beauty choices. So if you want to know about more of Kate Middleton, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell. From her early days as a commoner to her current role as the Duchess of Cambridge, we will dive into her fashion evolution, role life and biography. Let's get started. Kate Middleton was born on January 9, 1982 in Reading, England. She grew up in a loving family and excelled in sports and academic. Before marrying Prince William, Kate worked as an accessory buyer and later as a photographer. She met William at St Andrews University in Scotland. Kate's fashion sense has transformed over the years. From casual university days to elegant royal appearance, she became a royal icon. As the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate sports her husband and undertakes various royal duties. She is also a devoted mother of their 3 children. From her stunning wedding gowns to her bold red carpet looks, Kate's outfits are always highly anticipated. That's the story of Kate Middleton, a true rags to royalty tale. Her fashion sense, role life and dedication to her family make her a beloved figure worldwide. Thanks for watching this video. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, she was born in 9 January 1982 in Reading, England. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I wanted to tell you about my YouTube channel. I wanted to take a moment to talk you to all about something important. First, I want to express my gratitude to each and every one of you for subscribing and watching my videos. It means the world to me. However, I want to be honest with you, creating content every day, it's incredibly challenging. It takes a lot of time, efforts and resources. That's why I need your support. If you enjoy my content, please consider watching all my videos, liking and commenting on them, sharing them with your friends and family, and subscribing to my channel if you have not already yet. With your support, I can continue creating high quality content for you. I have some exciting plans and collaboration coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks again for listening and I look forward to your continued support. Let's grow this channel together. So my beautiful viewers, before becoming a royal cat style while already turning heads, she favored classic timeless pieces with a touch of bohemian flair. As a role, Cat's fashion choices are synchronized worldwide. She is rising to the challenge, becoming a global fashion icon. Cat's daytime style is effortlessly chic. She often wears British designers and high street brands, making fashion accessible to all. So when it comes to evening events, Cat dazzles in glamorous gowns. She is a master of subtle yet striking fashion choices. Cat's accessories are always on point, from her trusty LK Bennett heels to her elegant fascinators. She knows how to complete an outfit. As a royal cat's life is one of luxurious. She attends exclusive events, wears bespoke designer pieces, and enjoys the finest things in life. Cat draws inspiration from fashion icons, past and present. She is often compared to Princess Diana for her classic elegant style. That's a wrap on Princess Kate Middleton fashion life. She is a true style icon and we can't get enough of her stunning outfits and accessories. Thanks again for watching. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. So Cat often turns to trust designers for her royal engagements. Alexander McQueen and Jenny Peckham are two of her go-to labels. Cat's not afraid to mix high-end with high-street fashion. She is often spotted wearing affordable brands like Zara and Topshop. Cat's hat game is strong, from elegant fascinators to statement hats. She knows how to top off an outfit. Cat's jewelry collection is invaluable. She often wears pieces from the royal collection as well as modern designs. Cat's shoes are always on point. From sleek style totes to comfortable wedges, she has a pair for every occasion. Cat's handbag collection is impressive. She favors classic design from brands like Mulberry and LK Bennett. Cat's outfit is always stylish. She often wears tailored coats and jackets from British designers. During her pregnancies, Cat's style remained effortless. She often wears flowing dresses and comfortable coats. Cat's sporty style is relaxed yet style. She often wears athletic wear from brands like Nike and Adidas. When representing the UK abroad, Cat's fashion choices are diplomatic and thoughtful. She often wears local designers or incorporates cultural elements. Like any fashion icons, Cat faces criticism from accusation from being too safe to wearing too much. McQueen, she is navigated it all. Cat's style is timeless. She avoids trendy pieces, opting from classic designs that stand the test of times. Cat's fashion influence extends beyond the royal family. She inspired countless women to find their own personal style. Cat's fashion legacy will be one of the elegance, sophistication, and approachability. She redefined royal fashion for the modern era. Cat's fashion choices are carefully considered. Her team of stylists and advisors help her create looks that are both stylish and diplomatic. Before becoming a royal, Cat's style was more relaxed. She often wore bohemian-inspired pieces and high-street brands. Cat's style has evolved significantly since becoming a royal. She has adopted a more polished, sophisticated look while remaining. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please tell me in comment box what do you like in this videos and which type of video do you like in future. And please subscribe my channel and support me. I upload new videos every day, from fashion tips, trends to product reviews and hauls. And if you have any question for future video, don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos. So I will see you in the next video.